In React, we can store the JSX element to a variable and then use it in render method. For example, we can create a variable called SomeTest. And we store a string SomeTest. And then we also create another variable called SomeDiff, which we store the JSX element. And we make some style here in order to create a white background. If we replace this test to SomeTest, you can see that the test has been changed to SomeTest. And now let's try to change it to SomeDiff. Now you can see it already changed to a white background diff with the text SomeDiff.